Chief Justice of the Republic of Uganda, the Chief Registrar, Chief Magistrate at your capacity, RDC, LC5, religious leaders, LC3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank the Chief Justice for his wisdom, for thinking that he comes and we debate or discuss with the people. Amidst me, there are fraternities of security fraternities, which Chief Justice I would like to officially introduce them. And you can see them because they are working in our region. When you see what we are discussing touches us. So I would like to know the team so that you also are aware of the team. If there's anything, you know them very well. With me here, I have the two RDC, and we have apology from Pade. Milton is not doing very well, and the deputies at the station. So I would like them to introduce themselves and their district.
Honorable Chief Justice, Protocol observed, I am Robert Adiama, the RDC of Otuke. Thank you for coming to build our capacity. I have downloaded the law you just informed us about, and I think for Otuke, this will be part of the items in the next security meeting we have to share about this law. I pray we coordinate. The most important thing is coordination. There is nothing that will be above us once we put our heads together. Thank you.
I'm called Sulak James, the RDC Abim district. Thank you for coming.
Can I also introduce my deputy? Deputy, can you come, because we work very closely with her. If I'm not in the station, she's there. Can you wave to the people? We also have the RPC. Please, can you? They are already divided. We used to have only one in Gulu, but now we have another one sitting in Kitgu. I think he's now in charge of East, actually. Also the Gisu. So East actually now is taken up by him. Can we also have the Gisu, the Gisus of the districts? Yes, those are two, Agago and Otuke. They're there. Can I have the DPC and the OCCID, the prison. Yeah, those are the team in Agago. So thank you. Can I give my colleague 1 minute?
Thank you, my colleague. Our guest of honor. We are delighted to be here. Abim, as of now, we are calm. The situation is calm. Actually, in the whole of this month, we have not had any raid, any attack. So far, so good in this month. We have rested. From what the chairman said, I wanted to add on one thing. Besides having the G1 court in Abim, we only have one grade 1 magistrate, only one. We also have only one state prosecutor. That should there be any calling, both personal or official, there will be a standstill in court services in Abim district. I therefore request before you that with immediate attention or support, if we could have an extra support of at least 2 judicial officers in the magistrate and then the site of prostitution. Of course, the awardist is still prostitution, DPP, RDC still, we go to continue. In the same vein, when you consider elevating each chief magistrate equally that of the prostitution, also elevated. On the issue of Chako, we have been victims in the Karamoja sub-region. We sat in our DCC, of course with our magistrate as the chair for DCC, we discussed, agreed on how to implement the executive order. We are doing it very, very well. And actually, yesterday we also had this. Tuesday we had a similar DCC. We have agreed on how to proceed, and so far, so good. Thank you.
RDC wanjani kubedi mana biru ni with Abim kwe mana nak nintero dua jel yo yela ni pia ko ngalo kunu idong gen puli pie ento mere lega ne ke kan ne ki pale ne la ngalo ko pie na jel ni pie ne kan long jel ko ma bor mo ma ka de tiriti no Abim wen kor ko ne igi mede ge mu ka ne lega ne enu.
Yeah, also before I put in the issues that are here, I would like also to thank the 2 MPs, our minister and again the MP of this area, for joining us in this very important day today for the Agago and the neighboring district. Chief Justice, my name is Akidega. Most people call me No. I am now about 3 months in Agago with some days. When I came, I found issues were very lined up. Many issues of insecurity. People were not sleeping in the house. Kejong are everywhere. They're even asking for food, which food they should eat, for raping women. So my priority was targeting to first fight these people out of Agago, which I am very happy with the leadership of the minister, Acoli, and the chairman, SC5, and the 2 MPs, and then the division commander, Chief Justice. We are able today to say that we are about 70% in our achievement as Agago district in this issue that was on the ground.
This district was the end Macribian and being loaded up with a year limit, no Pelmatic and Dwong, and no limit, a tacky lock at join. Not a year. We could be the minute long, the team yet on Carno Junero. My town and join with Chelmatwal.
I came, I found some team, part of our team were sleeping. We have assembled the team, Chief Justice. We have now assembled a proper team for Agago district, which I think we can be able to win the game now. Because in front of you, we have about 1 month old DPC, which is a senior person, and the action he has taken within this 1 month on Chako is quite different. So to me, the alarm of Chako, we will deal with it with the farm act. And also,
policeman yen, police tinio tite, you are telling a piano tower to Maguire, come with Maca. And you look at any tile, women and Manok can no longer do.
And I've also received CID. We had somebody acting, which was very difficult. When you act, it is very difficult to make a position very clear. So now we have a new CID, which is 2 days whole year, which I know the cases that are coming should not be reversed if there are issues that needs to be taken to court. And Chief Justice, permit me to thank, I know you said we should not thank, but me as the chairman of the security, I will thank. Because when I thank you, I don't thank you anyhow. When you investigate, you find I'll thank you because there's a production, something is coming out from this team. Our 2 magistrates are doing good work. Because I remember there was a case that has stayed for about 10 years, 20 years, about the issue of very small case that somebody went and borrowed a bicycle. They went and got an accident. Somebody was taken to the hospital, and there was bill of the hospital. They came to court, and there was a lot of issues. The leaders, local leaders, they really tried. But when he called me, we sat with him together with his clan. I think that one day we were able to solve this thing that I stayed for 1 year. 10 years. People accepted, and they said, okay, I'm giving this one. I am not judging how this amount of money it was here. So this is one example that I appreciate. There was issue of gun. There were people who were now making local guns here. A boy was arrested from Wall with a harrow, which is a gun, very dangerous one. The manufacturer, I was happy with him, but when we came to the law, we found there some issues. The boy was arrested. Now the people were saying, now, you are allowing Kejong to move with the arrows. Now, hours you are taking it to court. What is wrong with you people? So it was a very big debate. We had to come here. We sat down with them. Chief Justice, with that wisdom, we came out with the conclusion that this boy should be released. The person who is manufacturing the gun, we must bring in the security and know what is his motive. Is it for killing only Kejong or killing all of us? So these are issues that I want to say to appreciate them. Chief Justice Agago was cut from Pade, Sin to 10. Now we have 3 constituencies, which is Agago North, Agago County, and Agago West, with the administration boundary of 26, and then 170 parishes, 166 villages. So this is how Agago is big. I went for Paris model in one of the Paluo parish. I found the LC1 there said the thing is still too big, and other people have missed out of that Paris model. And we have situation, the security situation I already told you. There are issues that people have already raised here. Chairman has raised, other team has already raised. I will go through which they have not given you, Chief Justice. Then I will present this paper to you. You go through it. We also have in the district, there are minor cases of thefts of animal stock. These thefts comes from our people and also people who are outside. We were about to finish our people on the mountain. If we did not take action clearly to verify these people before we shoot them, we thought it was all Kejong. We found 7 or 8 of them. 2 were our own people lying amidst the Kejong. They were dead. But the investigation was done. We knew their family, but their family has not come out up to now. So this was a very, very tricky situation which is going on the business of cattle. Also, we have the GA, which the chairman has already mentioned. We have the continuous issues of pack, animal destroying our people crops in Pono, Omia Pachua, that area. We wish that the court should help us. The compensation of our people. Somebody has done a garden of 6 acres and he wants immediate benefit. The animals have come and they have destroyed. They are paying him after 1 year. Would it help the person? So we need also that issues of chief judgment and also issues of Chaco. Chief guest, the Chaco issues, to me now, we are going to go into 3 dimensions. One dimension, which is going to be hard with politicians, is we are going to target your people. Your own people who are cutting the trees will go to prison. Your own people who are cutting the trees, we know them by names. So that you see them line up in yellows.
And don't take company, local Maka, and we have a wound, bill. Wound making them, wound to Maka, and we have the wound.
Because there's nobody who will fly from Karamoja, from Basoga, and jump in the garden and start cutting. There must be a coordination that the LC1 must be aware, the LC2 must be aware, the LC3 must be aware. So we are going to face those people so that they give us who can, what time. So that we end up this from the source as you have said. The second one is the transporter.
LC will pick a window, multi-kind.
The second one was I think the transporters. Transporters must be given also punishment heavily, so that they don't give the trucks. Then will you transport on your head? No. So we are going to face that and add that. So basically within these 3 months we have arrested about 10 trucks and also prosecuted about 4 people in court here. And these people were brought in court. The only thing is, what the chairman was talking about is the product. After we have brought the charcoal, the court auctioned it. We don't know where the money has gone, how much was charged, why it was charged, where are these people?
Very expensive.
So these are issues that needs to be discussed very clearly. Because now the presidential directive is very clear. We say all these trucks must be parked in the district. I took 3 trucks at the district. The DPC with the army told me the security will not be available there. It is very difficult to manage. We brought to the station. Now from the station, they manage the court. They brought to the court, I heard that this truck has gone. The thing was was downloaded down. I don't know where the product is. That is the concern the chairman is bringing. Which we need to work together so that these people are put forward.
RDC